When we talk about the what of education, we talk about books, grades, but if we talk about the why, we'll ask an entirely different set of questions. We're going to ask how we can help our children be more curious, how we can help them learn empathy, and how we can help them follow their passions more than just getting a grade.
I know personally there have been times when I've been learning something and I haven't understood what I was learning because it was just me staring at a board and like taking notes. Lots of people learn different ways. Me personally, I'm a visual learner and I like hands-on stuff. I think it's gonna help a wide range of kids that were not learning as well as they could have to not just learn the material that they're learning, but learn more about themselves. Figuring out the way that you learn, that's very important later on in life and now, because I don't know, I just think that it will help people thrive and find out how they learn, what job they want to be a part of.
When you think about what we are preparing our students for, we have no idea. So in addition to being able to, study for a test or do well on the ACT, we need to develop problem solvers. We need to develop students who can communicate and engage with others who may have a different perspective and experience for them, because we're preparing them to create a community for us that we all, collectively can enjoy and develop and be our very best in.
Future leaders are going to come from the schools that we have now. And if we help our students now, for the future that they will inherit, our whole world will be better. It's not just about the teachers and the students. Every single one of us has to play a role. Every single one of us has to take responsibility to reimagine learning and to change the world.